In this video, you'll learn how to easily set and change default apps on Samsung A17 5G 2026, helping you customize your phone for a smoother and more personal daily experience. To begin, unlock your device and open the settings menu. You can do this quickly by swiping down from the top of the screen to access the quick panel, then tapping the gear-shaped settings icon. Next, scroll down and select the Apps section. This area contains all app-related controls, including permissions, notifications, and system-level configurations. Inside the Apps menu, tap on Choose Default Apps. Here you will find a list of different categories such as Browser app, Phone app, SMS app, Home app, and more. Each category represents a specific function of your device. Now select the category you want to modify. For example, if you want to change your internet browsing experience, tap on Browser app. A list of all installed and compatible browsers will appear on your screen. From the list, choose your preferred application. Once selected, it will be automatically set as the default app for that category without requiring any additional confirmation. Lastly, simply exit the settings menu. Your changes are saved instantly and will be applied system-wide, ensuring a smoother and more personalized user experience. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently manage default apps on your Samsung A17 5G and optimize how your device handles everyday actions in a clean, professional, and user-friendly way.